Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to buy Amazon gift card and send by email. So let's get started. First, go to amazon.com and make sure you're logged into your account. Over here, go to all, scroll down to programs and features, click see all, then tap on gift cards. After that, go to all gift cards. Then choose any card you like. Over here, select the occasion, for example, celebration, and then choose a design like dazzling fireworks. After that, enter a custom amount like $5 or use one of the preset values. Then choose delivery by email and enter the recipient's email address. After that, add a message and your name as the sender. Then choose the delivery date or send it right now. Once that's done, click Add to Cart. Then proceed to checkout using any debit or credit card you have on file. Over here, confirm your payment method and preview the order. After that, click Place your order. It will show the estimated delivery time, and that's it. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.